Hey guys, this is Chris Fuentes from Victorville Chevrolet and Cadillac, introducing this beautiful pre-owned 2022 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss. With only 4,000 miles, this vehicle is equipped with a factory lift, Rancho springs, and skid plate protection. This vehicle is ready to take on any road with its 4x4 capabilities. Some other cool features would include the multi-flex tailgate, where you can extend your bed or create a work area included with an electrical outlet. And the tailgate even makes a great step stool for easier access to the bed. What makes this vehicle unique is the refreshed new interior, including the new 13.4-inch diagonal infotainment screen equipped with Google. This vehicle is also equipped with Bose audio and heated seats and wireless Android Auto and CarPlay. Come see me, Chris Fuentes. We are the Silverado Superstore. We have trucks arriving daily.